Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Finance for Beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your forgotten transaction PIN on the Bitget crypto trading app. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bitget application on your device, and after you have logged into your account, you will end up within the home page. Now tap on the account icon at the top left corner and then tap on the arrow button alongside your username. This will then take you into the user center page. From here, tap on security. And now, if you scroll down, you will see the PIN code button. Tap on this option and now tap on Reset PIN code. Now, in order to set up a new PIN code for your account, just type in your desired new PIN code within the new PIN code section. Then type in this code once again for confirmation underneath. Finally, tap on the Submit button and you will then need to verify using your passkey. This is either a hardware passkey or your biometric verification. After providing either one of this, your PIN code has now successfully been reset. You can now use your new PIN code to make your transactions right away. So there you have it. That is how you can reset your forgotten transaction PIN on the Bitget application. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.